Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with power and visibility. First, make sure the Xm4 Xm4 has sufficient charge and is off or idle. Next, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until the blue LED blinks to enter pairing mode. This signals the headphones to advertise themselves. On your iPhone, open Settings Bluetooth and leave that screen active so the phone continuously scans. Once done, you're ready to select the device from the iPhones list. You'll see Xm4 Xm4 appear in the Bluetooth list. Tap it to pair. If a prompt appears, confirm pairing and allow microphone/audio access so calls work. Once paired, the phone will show Connected for audio. Make sure both media audio and call audio are enabled. For finer control, open the Sony Headphones Connect app. It lets you update firmware, adjust noise canceling, and enable multipoint. This step explains why the app matters for stability. You're almost done. Test the connection by playing music and making a short call or voice memo to verify the microphone. Make sure the headphone controls respond and that noise canceling acts as expected. Adjust settings in the app if needed. If the Xm4 Xm4 won't pair or audio drops, forget the device on your iPhone, then reset the headphones, hold power and NC button per manual, and retry pairing. That reset clears corrupt pairings and usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.